Library methods in Java continued. The next one we will look at is called round. Round is one which is common with maths in some way. It returns the nearest integer value, keeping 0.5 as the breakup partition. Now, some examples are to be shown through program code that what is happening in a program. The work of math.round is to return the nearest integer. And here is the program example. The ceiling and the floor are allotted for going either to the higher or to the lower of a fraction. But round actually brings you to the closest, whichever is the value of the integer. Now, this example beautifully demonstrates the difference between ceiling of 24.1 and round of 24.1. Round brings it to the closest integer. For 24.1 it is 24, and in case of floor of 34.9 it was falling down to the nearest integer, which was 34. But the round of 34.9 is taking us to 35 because 35 is closer to 34.9. One more example, another set of values. Now this is interesting because students, there is a high chance of getting confused with the ceiling and the floor and the round and 0.5 and 0.1 and 0.9. So please calm down. Okay. If you look at comfortably, ceiling means go to the higher, whatever is the current fractional value. So if I look at 76.5, the ceiling will take me to 77. And if I look at floor of 63.5, the floor says come to the lower, whatever be the fractional part. So 63.5's lower, which is floor, will be 63. But if I look at the round of 76.5 will be the next higher, and the round of 63.5 will also be the next higher. So ceiling doesn't always mean, round doesn't always mean that you have to go to the higher. Round means if you are more than 0.5 or more than 0.5, then go to the higher. Otherwise, come back. So, in this example, 0.5 is taking round, both of the round variables, round n1 and round n2 to the higher end. 76.5 is going to 77 and 63.5 is going to 64. But ceiling of 76.5 is going to 77 and the floor of 63.5 is coming down to 63. Oof, this has to be redone by you slowly, all by yourself once more. Okay?